Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your LinkedIn account permanently. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And yeah, this is how you can do it. First up, once you're logged in into your LinkedIn account, click on Me. Once you're here, click on Settings and Privacy. And once the page opens up, click on Account Preferences. That'll be there by default. Once you're here, scroll down, and when you see Close Account, click on that option. And once you're here, it's pretty much intuitive. Just click on Continue. Give a reason why you want to delete your account. You can also click on Other and type in a reason. And yeah, once you're satisfied with that, click on Next. Type in your password and click on Done. Now I'm not going to do that because I want this account, but you can just follow these steps and your LinkedIn account will be gone, permanently deleted. It'll no longer exist. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you. Bye bye.